Welcome to our exploration of diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workplace. These three pillars, often referred to as DEI, are transforming how organizations operate and interact. Diversity brings together people from various backgrounds, equity ensures fair treatment and access, and inclusion creates a sense of belonging for everyone. As we begin, let's consider why these concepts matter and how they shape modern work environment. Throughout this video, we'll uncover practical examples, discuss challenges, and highlight the benefits of embracing DEI. Let's start by defining each term and understanding their significance in today's professional landscape. Diversity refers to the presence of differences within a given setting. In the workplace, this means having employees from various races, genders, ages, religions, abilities, and backgrounds. It's not just about numbers, it's about recognizing and valuing these differences. A diverse workforce brings unique perspectives, which can lead to more creative solutions and better decision-making. By understanding diversity, organizations can foster environments where everyone feels respected and valued. Let's look at how diversity manifests in everyday work situations and why it's a key driver for innovation. Equity is about ensuring fair treatment, access, and opportunities for all employees. Unlike equality, which treats everyone the same, equity recognizes that individuals have different needs and circumstances. In practice, equity means removing barriers and providing support so everyone can thrive. This could involve mentorship programs, flexible work arrangements, or targeted recruitment efforts. By focusing on equity, organizations help level the playing field and empower employees to reach their full potential. Let's explore how equity initiatives can make a real difference in the workplace. Inclusion is the practice of creating environments where everyone feels welcomed, respected, and valued. It goes beyond simply having diverse employees. It's about ensuring that all voices are heard and everyone can participate fully. Inclusive workplaces encourage collaboration, open communication, and mutual respect. When employees feel included, they are more likely to contribute ideas, engage with their teams, and stay motivated. Inclusion is the glue that holds diversity and equity together, making DEI efforts truly effective. Let's see how inclusion can be fostered in daily workplace interactions. Embracing diversity, equity, and inclusion brings numerous benefits to organizations. Diverse teams are more innovative, as they draw from a wider range of experiences and perspectives. Equity ensures that talent is nurtured and developed, regardless of background. Inclusion fosters a positive work culture where employees feel safe and valued. Together, DEI leads to higher employee satisfaction, improved performance, and better business outcomes. Companies that prioritize DEI are also more attractive to top talent and customers. Let's examine some real-world examples of how DEI drives success. One of the most visible aspects of workplace diversity is hiring practices. Organizations committed to DEI actively seek candidates from a variety of backgrounds. This means broadening recruitment channels, using unbiased job descriptions, and implementing fair interview processes. By doing so, companies build teams that reflect the world around them. Diverse hiring also helps break down stereotypes and encourages fresh thinking. Let's explore how inclusive hiring strategies can transform the workforce and create opportunities for underrepresented groups. Promotion and advancement are critical areas where equity must be applied. Organizations should ensure that all employees have equal access to growth opportunities, regardless of their background. This involves transparent criteria, mentorship programs, and regular performance reviews. Equity in promotion helps retain talent and motivates employees to strive for excellence. By addressing biases and supporting career development, companies create pathways for everyone to succeed. Let's look at how equitable promotion practices can shape a more dynamic and motivated workforce. Leadership plays a vital role in fostering inclusion. Inclusive leaders actively listen, encourage diverse perspectives, and create safe spaces for dialogue. They model respectful behavior and set the tone for the organization. By valuing input from all team members, leaders build trust and inspire collaboration. Inclusive leadership is not just about policies, it's about everyday actions that make employees feel seen and heard. Let's discover how leaders can champion inclusion and drive positive change throughout the workplace. Bias can undermine diversity and equity efforts if left unchecked. It's important for organizations to recognize and address both conscious and unconscious biases. Training programs, open discussions, and feedback mechanisms help employees become aware of their biases and learn how to overcome them. By tackling bias head-on, companies create fairer workplaces and strengthen their DEI initiatives. Let's examine practical steps for identifying and reducing bias in everyday work situations. Truly inclusive workplace provides safe spaces where employees can express themselves without fear of judgment or retaliation. These spaces encourage honest conversations about challenges, experiences, and ideas. Organizations can create safe spaces through employee resource groups, open forums, and supportive policies. When employees feel safe, they are more likely to share their perspectives and contribute to the organization's growth. Let's explore how safe spaces enhance inclusion and foster stronger connections among team members. Cultural competence is the ability to understand, appreciate, and interact with people from different cultures. In the workplace, this means respecting traditions, beliefs, and communication styles. Training in cultural competence helps employees avoid misunderstandings and build stronger relationships. It also enables organizations to serve diverse customers and clients more effectively. By fostering cultural competence, companies create environments where everyone feels valued and understood. Let's see how cultural competence can be developed and why it's essential for DEI. Accessibility is a key component of equity and inclusion. It involves removing physical, technological, and social barriers so everyone can participate fully. This could mean providing ramps, accessible software, or flexible work arrangements. By prioritizing accessibility, organizations ensure that employees with disabilities are supported and empowered. Accessibility also benefits everyone by creating more flexible and adaptable workplaces. Let's explore how accessibility initiatives contribute to a more equitable and inclusive environment. Employee resource groups (ERGs) are voluntary employee-led groups that foster inclusion and support diverse communities within organizations. ERGs provide safe spaces for networking, mentorship, and advocacy. They also help raise awareness about DEI issues and drive positive change. By participating in ERGs, employees can connect with others who share similar backgrounds or interests, building a sense of belonging. Let's look at how ERGs contribute to workplace inclusion and empower employees to make a difference. Inclusive policies are essential for sustaining DEI efforts. These policies might include flexible work hours, parental leave, anti-discrimination measures, and accommodations for religious practices. By implementing inclusive policies, organizations demonstrate their commitment to fairness and respect. Policies also provide clear guidelines for behavior and decision-making, helping prevent discrimination and bias. Let's explore how inclusive policies shape workplace culture and support employees from all backgrounds. Training and education are crucial for building awareness and skills around DEI. Workshops, seminars, and online courses help employees understand the importance of diversity, equity, and inclusion. Training also provides tools for recognizing bias, communicating respectfully, and resolving conflicts. Continuous education ensures that DEI remains a priority and adapts to changing needs. Let's see how training programs can empower employees and create lasting change in the workplace. To ensure DEI initiatives are effective, organizations must measure progress. This involves tracking metrics like representation, retention, promotion rates, and employee satisfaction. Surveys, feedback sessions, and data analysis provide valuable insights into what's working and where improvements are needed. By regularly assessing DEI progress, companies can refine their strategies and celebrate successes. Let's explore how measurement drives accountability and continuous improvement in workplace DEI. Implementing DEI can be challenging, especially in organizations with established cultures or limited resources. Common obstacles include resistance to change, lack of awareness, and insufficient support. Overcoming these challenges requires strong leadership, clear communication, and ongoing education. By addressing concerns and involving employees in the process, organizations can build momentum and achieve lasting results. Let's discuss strategies for overcoming barriers and sustaining DEI efforts. Communication is at the heart of inclusion. Inclusive communication means using language that respects all individuals, avoiding stereotypes, and encouraging open dialogue. It also involves listening actively and providing feedback in a constructive manner. By fostering inclusive communication, organizations build trust and strengthen relationships among employees. Let's explore how communication practices can support DEI and create more connected workplaces. Celebrating differences is a powerful way to promote diversity and inclusion. Organizations can host cultural events, recognize holidays, and encourage employees to share their stories. These celebrations foster understanding and appreciation for various backgrounds. By highlighting what makes each person unique, companies create environments where everyone feels valued. Let's see how celebrating differences can strengthen workplace culture and build lasting connection. Technology can support DEI by making workplaces more accessible and connected. Inclusive technology includes accessible software, communication tools, and platforms that accommodate diverse needs. Organizations should ensure that technology is user-friendly and supports collaboration among all employees. By leveraging inclusive technology, companies can break down barriers and empower everyone to contribute. Let's explore how technology enhances diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workplace. Remote work presents new opportunities and challenges for DEI. Organizations must ensure that remote employees feel included and supported. This involves regular check-ins, virtual team building, and accessible communication tools. Remote work can also expand hearing pools and increase diversity. By adapting DEI strategies for remote environments, companies maintain connection and engagement. Let's look at how DEI can thrive in remote and hybrid workplaces. Mental health is an important aspect of equity and inclusion. Organizations should provide resources and support for employees facing mental health challenges. This includes access to counseling, flexible schedules, and open conversations about well-being. By prioritizing mental health, companies show that they care about the whole person, not just work performance. Let's explore how mental health initiatives can enhance DEI and create healthier workplaces. Diversity, equity, and inclusion drive innovation by bringing together different perspectives and ideas. When employees feel valued and included, they are more likely to share creative solutions and take risks. DEI also helps organizations adapt to changing markets and customer needs. By fostering an innovative culture, companies stay competitive and resilient. Let's see how DEI fuels creativity and growth in the workplace. DEI doesn't just benefit employees, it also improves customer relations. Diverse teams understand and serve a wider range of clients, leading to better products and services. Equity and inclusion build trust and loyalty among customers. By reflecting the diversity of their markets, organizations can connect more deeply with clients and communities. Let's explore how DEI enhances customer satisfaction and drives business success. Strong commitment to DEI enhances an organization's reputation. Companies known for diversity, equity, and inclusion attract top talent, loyal customers, and positive media attention. Reputation also influences partnerships and business opportunities. By prioritizing DEI, organizations build credibility and trust in the marketplace. Let's see how DEI shapes public perception and opens doors for growth. Legal compliance is a foundational aspect of DEI. Organizations must adhere to laws and regulations that protect against discrimination and promote equal opportunity. Compliance ensures fairness and reduces risk, but it's just the starting point. True DEI goes beyond legal requirements to create genuinely inclusive workplaces. Let's discuss how legal compliance supports DEI and why organizations should aim higher. EI is closely linked to social responsibility. Organizations that embrace DEI contribute to positive change in society by promoting fairness, respect, and opportunity. Social responsibility also strengthens community relationships and enhances brand image. By supporting DEI, companies demonstrate their values and commitment to making a difference. Let's explore how DEI and social responsibility go hand in hand. Sustainability and DEI are interconnected. Diverse and inclusive organizations are better equipped to address environmental challenges and innovate sustainable solutions. Equity ensures that all voices are heard in sustainability efforts, leading to more effective outcomes. By integrating DEI and sustainability strategies, companies create lasting impact for people and the planet. Let's see how DEI supports sustainability and drives positive change. Future of DEI is bright, with organizations increasingly recognizing its importance. Emerging trends include intersectionality, global perspectives, and technology-driven inclusion. As workplaces evolve, DEI will continue to shape culture, innovation, and success. By staying committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion, organizations can adapt and thrive in a changing world. Let's look ahead to the next chapter of DEI and its ongoing impact. Summary: diversity, equity, and inclusion are essential for building successful, innovative, and resilient organizations. By embracing DEI, companies unlock the full potential of their workforce and create environments where everyone can thrive. The journey requires ongoing commitment, education, and action. As we conclude, remember that each step toward DEI makes a difference, not just for the workplace but for society as a whole. Let's continue to champion diversity, equity, and inclusion in all that we do.